Walking over to the meat area now, and then it just started raining out of nowhere. Lucky I brought an umbrella to protect myself. And the flowers! Safe. Yeah, I'm trying to navigate my way to the place. And the time now is like 2 p.m. Her first lift was supposed to start at 1:30 I think, but she told me there was a little bit of delay. But I think it has already started still. Okay, situation right now, I'm kind of a little bit lost because I'm supposed to go that way. But then how do I... Is there even a pathway? Oh, okay, there's a pathway. Okay, I'm gonna try crossing over. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, my flower is wet. No! Okay, it's okay. I think I'm reaching the place soon. I'll update again once I've reached. Okay, I think I'm very near the place, but I'm not very sure. It says I'm 70 meters away, but I don't see anyone, or I don't hear anything. And it's very... Oh, okay, I hear some cheering now. Oh, I hear some cheering. Okay, I think I have to go up like this place.
Yep. Right.
Ira, please stand by. Good leg for Rachel. Aaron, go first.
Good job, Rachel.
Good leg for Rachel. Good leg for Justin. Good leg for Rachel.
Yay! Congrats! Thank you. Dinner.
How to compare this one and this one?
Wow. Oh, look at this. So cute. There's some adoption, right? Here's a haul of the things that we bought for Kyo. We freeze-dried duck fillet. We have air-dried duck paste, freeze-dried salmon, and chicken breast for her, healthy food for Kyo, and freeze-dried salmon and cranberry. Honestly, this sounds very good. I want to eat it also. It's like a cookie, and I hope Kyo appreciates these. And she's very cute. I'll put her Instagram here. You can go and follow her Instagram. She's really cute. So yeah, hopefully she enjoys this. Okay, this is supposed to be the crab meat omelette, but then so little crab meat. The rest inside are all like veggies, so it's a bit sad.